When you open a new shipment of single-use assemblies, you typically have to deal with bubble wrap that takes a long time to remove. Fortunately, that's not the case for all assemblies. When you unbox an assembly secured with the Thermo BioTitan retention device, setup is quick and simple. On the left, you'll see how much time it takes to unpack a single-use assembly with cable-tied connections. It's a tedious and time-consuming process that produces unnecessary waste. As you can see on the right, the assembly with BioTitan connections lets you unbox faster and easier with less waste. When you choose products that feature the BioTitan retention device, you not only reduce packaging waste, you gain securely sealed connections that mitigate the risk of leaks. And you save valuable time per unit you unpack. To bring this innovative BioTitan solution to your workflow, contact us today. For more information, visit thermofisher.com/BioTitan.